Hello and welcome to the Office Center channel. In this video, we'll discuss the formula for converting numbers to Roman numerals. Okay, let's get straight to it. So here I have several numbers that we can convert into Roman numerals using a formula. The formula is equals Roman open parenthesis. You select the number you want to convert, then a comma. After that, there will be several options. We'll just pick number 4, which is the simplest Roman numeral form. This is the one most people know. Then close parenthesis and hit enter. As you can see, the number 1 has changed into the letter I in Roman numerals. And for the rest, you can see a small box here. Please double-click it. Now, everything has immediately changed into Roman numerals. Next, how do you convert Roman numerals back into regular numbers? To change them back, there's a formula. Equals Arabic, then open parenthesis, and select the cell you want to convert, then just close parenthesis. Just like before, please double-click here, and everything will change. Alright, that's all for this video. Hopefully you can try this out right away. Like this video if you enjoyed it, comment if you have any suggestions or feedback. And don't forget to subscribe if you want other tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you.